Very unique way of fishing here on the south coast. There she goes. I've seen people do this before with balloons, but I haven't seen them do it with a drone. But hey, why not? There she goes. It's a bit like a DoorDash delivery, isn't it? And there it goes, he dropped it. And he'll get the drone to come back, and then hopefully he'll catch a fish. This is the killer whale wharf, by the way, at Merimbula. Again, that's looking down towards Merimbula there. Drone's coming home. He'll wind it in a little bit and hopefully catch a nice fish. And there's an aquarium and restaurant here at the back. There's the drone, it's coming back down.